In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable audio description on iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load up, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here, I scroll down until I see accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the accessibility menu and I'm scanning through the options until I spot audio description. When I see it, I tap on audio description and that takes me straight into the settings page for it. Alright, now that I'm here on the audio description screen, I can see the toggle labelled audio descriptions. This is the one I'm looking for, so I tap the switch to turn audio descriptions on. The change applies immediately, so there's nothing else I need to confirm or save, and if I ever want to disable it, I just tap that same toggle again and it switches off. Once that's done, I pause here for a second just to make sure the toggle stayed set the way I want. Everything saves automatically, so I can stay on the screen or leave whenever I'm ready without doing anything else. Now I'm backing out step by step, heading back through the menus, and that's really the whole process. Anytime you want to revisit it, just open settings, go into accessibility, tap audio description, and toggle audio descriptions on or off. If I leave it enabled, I'll usually take a second navigating around just to feel comfortable with the change before moving on. It's simple to come back here later and adjust it again if I decide I want it handled differently, and that's all there is to it. You've now seen how to enable or disable audio description on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to return and change whenever you need.